Hello again, Year 1. Welcome to a new week. I hope you had a lovely weekend. Here we go then with your maths lesson, week 8, lesson 1. You need to hit the button into the search on top marks, please, for your warm-up. I'm going to do some revision of halves today, please, boys. Now you choose the level, the range, either halves to 10, 5 to 15, or so on, up to you, whatever you feel comfortable with. Play it a few times so that you really know those halves and you can recall them quick. Have a few goes and keep trying to beat that score. Off you go. So all those numbers that you were halving were even, weren't they? Like 6. Can you see my 6 dots here? And we can fold it in half so each half is exactly the same. So half of 6 is 3. We've got 3 in that half and 3 in that half. But what about halving odd numbers? Can you think of an odd number? 5's an odd number, isn't it? How would we find half of 5? Well, here are my dots and I have 5. Can you think what will happen if I fold the strip in half? Look, we've got 2 full spots, but then half a spot there. And in the other half, of course, it's got to be the same. 1, 2 and a half spot. So we say that half of 5 is 2 and a half. And we would write it like that. What do you think half of 9 would be then? It's an odd number, so it's going to be a bit trickier. Here's my 9 dots. Let's fold this strip in half. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 full spots and a half. How would you write that? 4 full ones and then the half. So half of 9 is 4 and a half. Now when I'm trying to do this in my head, I just think about the even number that comes before the one you're trying to halve. So that would be 8, wouldn't it? And I know half of 8 is 4. But we've got one more, haven't we? And if you cut 1 in half, you get the half. That might help some of you. It might confuse some of you, so just ignore it. You might not quite be ready for doing it in your head yet. Don't worry, we can keep using the strips. I need you to look in your packs now for resource sheet 780. And you can see the strips there that I've been using. I want you to cut the strips out and count carefully how many dots you've got and work out what half is. And you can record it in number sentences like this. Off you go. If you think you can do it in your head, you don't need to use the strips, but be careful with those odd numbers. Now go to your pack, find page 37, and I bet you can whiz through that. If you're not quite sure the doubles, use the pictures to help you. But remember, if you're doing 6 add 6, you don't need to count those, do you? You know the 6. So you can just say what you see. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on. Don't forget to think questions. And then have a go at page 38. Now for some extension work, try to halve these price tickets. Let's see if you can be a really good shopkeeper and have a really good sale. You can write the answers below, what the new price will be. Some are quite tricky. You might want to get some money out to help you. But remember, don't be shy. Have a try. You'll need to spin your sheet round. There's no need to cut these out. And that's it for your first lesson, boys. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.